So today I have a couple headphones that I'll be repairing. I'm not sure what this is. Beyerdynamic? I don't know, whatever that is. And they're like a classic headphones, metal frame. I can see why you would want to repair them, because these seem to be quite good quality, and good quality is hard to find these days. So we'll solder this up. It's missing this thing here. If we have a look here, this one, it has a ground. And then it has the signal wire. And you can actually see the quality of this is because the signal wire actually has a little marking on it, that red wire there, and then the other one is ground. Whereas on this one, the signal wire is on here. So on the side, it has the two contacts that we can solder on. So I'm going to solder on, and then we'll see if we get some sound. If we don't, then we may have to switch the wire, but we'll test this out here. Okay. It's kind of funny that my highest viewed repair video is a headphone, the Beat Solo. Over 100,000 views. It's kind of crazy. Kind of do this as a hobby, fixing stuff. Okay. Sometimes you have to add flux. Add flux to this guy so he sticks. Alright, I'm going to test it out now. So this one's working. I'm getting sound. But this one here is not working. So I'm going to do a continuity to see if it's a broken cable. And we can do the continuity test on the audio jack. So to do that, we need a multimeter. And I'm just going to figure out, I think the tip is ground. No, the very bottom one is ground. Yeah. So on this guy right here, this tip right here is ground, and then we'll have left or right. I'm not sure. Let's try. I'm going to try the middle one right here. And yeah. So that is I guess the left ear, and then this will be the right. So I'm going to try the ground on the headphone that's not working. And we're getting ground. So that means that the signal wire probably has not working. Signal wire is connected. I am getting that, so I'm gonna have to get another headphone and to connect it here and make sure I'm getting audio. It could be a bad headphone. So okay, I'm gonna connect to speaker. So the wire's good.
That is constantly growing and appreciating in value. Real estate is a way to build long-term wealth, and we're bringing our techniques and knowledge directly to you. When you choose to an expert in the respective fields.
Okay. This is gonna take surgery. Because I'm gonna see if we can connect. There's this fine wire that goes to the speaker. It could be there. Yeah. So here's the two connectors of the wire, and if you look, there's these two little wires on either side, and you want to make sure that that small wire is connected to the pad, because if it's not, then even though I get sound from here to here, it's not connecting to that wire going to the speaker. This is that thin wire that I was showing you. It's this wire here, and if that's not connected to this pad right here, it won't work. So I was able to solder that on, and then this guy right here, I was able to solder it on as well, but it still doesn't work. So that means that either the coil inside here is broke, and I do see a crack on the drum, so it's basically a damaged speaker. So that's the drum. Yeah, you can see, I believe it's broken off there. You can see it. This is real speaker surgery. You can see that the wire is actually broken off right inside. So right here, that little wire, we can try to solder that back together. Why not? This is something else. So you can see that this wire connects to the coil and it flows out. That's a okay wire, so this wire is fine. The problem, it looks like something would cut it or something. So I have to solder this wire together. Okay. We're going to fold back the speaker drum. I'm going to get a little bit of tape and tape that open so it doesn't flip back on me. The things that we do to get the things we love back in working condition. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of tape. So I taped that, and then you can see we have access to the speaker wire. This could be tricky. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get a blob of solder in there. Okay. So I'll put some flux inside. this is the delicate part, is to not burn the speaker as we do this. Really gentle hands here. Okay. Sorry, speaker. I don't want to hurt you any more than you are, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay. This wire seems to be okay. So that just gave me a little bit more room to work with. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so I was able to get the audio to work, so that has fixed it. I had to solder on this one and then taped this using some Scotch tape to tape the drum back on. It's not going to be perfect, but it covers up that hole there. Okay. So we got it going good here. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.